Steamer Mustang from Texas. The owner flew into town to have me get it back for him. Document the process. City impound lot. Don't know what time it is. 2022 Mustang. Work, work, work. Yeah, work, 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 work. Right, in the Mustang, it goes in the back cup holder. Move that rubber out the way. That's how you do that there. Key programming successful. Number of keys is 4. We're not going to delete all keys because the guy will have to pay for 2 after that. So, hit OK. Next one, no. End of programming. Now let's go ahead and try to crank this joker up. And here we are. We got success. Success, success, success. Mustang running. Pop the hood for him, see what's going on. It'll be a turbo eco boost. Engine cover down. Other than that, looks okay to me. Work, work. Back it up, Jay. Leaving the pound, 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 pound town, town, pound town, town. Welcome to Pound Town. Welcome to the pound, pound, pound.